G'day guys, at it again. Want to talk about a new product that has hit us here at Blue Tongue Industries, and that is the SoftWash Trolley. Downstreaming, picking up Chem after the pump, and there's a few different methods to be able to do that. Fixed injectors, which are low cost, and also brand names such as Inject or M6 as we call it here at Blue Tongue Industries. So those particular injectors will pick up a chemical solution of your choice and inject it after the pump for spraying onto a surface, and if you're doing house washing, building facade cleaning. But this particular trolley, which is new to us here at Blue Tongue Industries, has the ability to do the same. We're going to downstream, pick up after the pump, but we're going to pull slightly higher concentrations. So the two first injectors that I did mention, the fixed brass injectors that we're all familiar with, or the M5 X-Jet or our M6 injector, struggle to pull 2% ratios when we're carrying out those facade cleaning or house washing jobs. So if we need to pull higher concentrations, then this particular SoftWash trolley might be right for you. So the SoftWash trolley has been purposely designed, and is the marksmanship and the quality of work is outstanding. So it's been laser cut and pressed. Most of it's out of 5mm aluminium, which has been moulded to produce this ergonomic, lightweight trolley. So the stainless steel hose reel has 5,000 PSI jetter hose on it. So 30 metres application. So plugging in the SoftWash trolley to our pressure cleaner, we have 30 metres of application hose with a good quality gun with a swivel to allow the operator to work 30 metres from the chemical drum situated at the base of this trolley. So purposely designed J-rod holder, and the J-rod holder will come with tips purposely designed to allow you, the operator, different application and that dispersal method of your chem of choice in your SoftWash downstream application. So it's as simple as connecting the J-rod into the end of the gun, 3 tips of choice with 3 different dispersal angles, and also a long-range shooting tip. Ergonomics by design and ergonomics by nature. Transportation, with the rubber feet situated, we're able to transport this particular system. So if you're in the back of a ute or a van, the transportation aspect of this trolley has been thought about. Chemical application is controlled by a variable metering valve. The variable metering valve on the front of this machine will allow application up to 3:1. So rotating the valve with the machine in operation, we can control our percentage ratio on a graduated dial. So our chemical drum, in most instances, will be sodium hypochlorite at 12.5%. Into that particular drum, we can add some of our house wash mix and our masking agent, and even some of our sticky blue. So all our chemicals are SH compatible, and having a container of solution is different with application of SoftWash. So we're not mixing solution. We have one batch of pre-mixed chem, and we're going to proportion that or draw that with the variable metering valve. So once we've made our concentrated solution, it's as simple as placing our drop stick into the container, connecting to the system to the pressure cleaner, and away we go. So you want to take this SoftWash trolley one step further. Ask us about a huge variety of remote rinse modules. So adding a remote rinse module to the back of this SoftWash trolley will allow the operator, through remote control, to flick between soap application, chem application, and a rinse. More for you to think about. So just hooked it up to, we're running 3,000 PSI at 21 litres a minute. I've just got, for demonstration purposes, a 5 litre bottle of house wash. And we're going to look at the draw ratio coming out of this when I wind that up max. And we're also going to check the foam. Let's have a look. Watch the fluid drop. Watch the foam. We're running through 30, 45 metres of hose. So it's pulling max rate. We can go around and turn that off. So we're going to go through that, and we're going to pull about 3 to 1. So the concentration ratio of your SH, your house wash, your sticky, your masking magic is going to be pretty high draw. This is the SoftWash Trolley from us here, new to Blue Tongue Industries. You can see more on the web. Check us out at www.bluetongueindustries.com.au. Thanks guys.